Today, let's talk about something crucial, the detention of minors in Nigeria and what the law says. The Nigerian Constitution, alongside other legal provisions like the Child Rights Act, CRA of 2003, and the Children and Young Persons Act, CYPA, provides specific protections to ensure minors are not detained under the same conditions as adults. Let's break down what the law says and why they matter for protecting child rights in Nigeria. Under Section 221 of the Child Rights Act, detention for children is meant to be used only as a last resort, specifically for serious offenses, and even then, conditions must respect the right of the child. The law clearly states that minors should be placed in facilities designed for their age and developmental needs, not in adult prisons where risk of abuse and neglect are higher. Section 218 of the CRA emphasizes that if a child is not released on bail, they must be remanded to a government-approved facility rather than a correctional institution. The focus here is on rehabilitation and not punishment. The courts can set conditions for remand but must prioritize the child's welfare and rehabilitation. The Nigerian Criminal Code also provides guidelines on the age of criminal responsibility. According to Section 30 of the Code, a child under 7 years cannot be held criminally responsible. For children between the age of 7 and 12, they can only be held accountable if the law determines that they understand the nature of their action. Section 223 of the CRA advocates for non-custodial measures whenever possible. This includes probation, supervision, guidance, and even community-based programs designed to support minors in a family or community environment rather than isolating them in detention. The goal here is to reintegrate young people into a society in ways that support their growth and keep them away from environments that might expose them to further harm. Furthermore, Section 11 of the CYPA reinforces that young people should not be imprisoned unless absolutely necessary. The law encourages alternatives like probation, corrective orders, fines, or even committing the young person to the care of a relative or approved institution. If a young person between 14 and 17 is found guilty, the law provides numerous options for the courts to handle the case in ways that prioritize their rehabilitation. The Constitution and these laws underscore the importance of a child-centered approach to justice. They focus on accountability, but also on growth and rehabilitation. Keeping children out of adult facility not only protects their safety, but ensures that their right to childhood is respected. In summary, Nigerian laws are clear. Detention for minor is a last resort, and whenever possible, rehabilitation and reintegration should be the focus. Our legal framework seeks to protect young Nigerians, offering them a fair chance to correct their mistakes without enduring the dangers of adult detention. Let's keep advocating for a justice system that respects and protects the rights of all children. Like, share, and subscribe to Africa Tech Radio for more.